guys, welcome back to a case of Econ struggles, and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today I'm going to go back to this coefficient plot, this two-way command, and I'm going to show you how you can add in some Greek letters and subscripts into these axis titles, or notes. This is pretty useful because even though in Overleaf or your other LaTeX editor, you can do these notes sort of whatever you want using the LaTeX syntax, it's really difficult to change the sort of axis titles. Those are sort of things that you want to come right out of the box out of Stata. So today I'm just going to show you how to put in this beta 1. And if you wanted to, I'm just going to show you how you can use these subscripts for other things in the note, just in case that's something you're interested in. So let's go ahead and jump into the code. And now what I'm going to do is, again, I'll post this code in the comment section below. We've actually used this code to make the two-way command plot that I showed you in a different video. Can also link that in the description as well. But what I'm going to focus on here is in this Y title. What I'm going to do to put in that beta 1 is I'm going to use curly brackets, and I'm going to say and then the name of the Greek letter that I want to use. So in this case it's beta. It's got to all be lowercase. And then I wanted to use a subscript 1. So then new curly bracket, sub, colon, and then a 1, and then I'm done. What I've also done, again, just to give you a little bit more information about how this works, is in the note, I've given you the full sort of regression model with the alphas, betas, and the subscripts. And here especially, you can see that I've done a double subscript with S and T. And so again, just to show you that it all works, I'll highlight everything, hit Control D, and you can see that the chart that's going to come out is exactly the chart that I just showed you. And so you're all set to jet. So again, you can use any Greek letter that you see here. You can use subscripts, you can use superscripts, anything you want. Just an additional tool when you're labeling axes titles, or notes in Stata graphs. So if this video or these videos in general are helping you out, please like and subscribe. See you next time for another case of Econ struggles.